What I notice first is that the company selection is not very user-friendly yet. At the moment, it only shows company codes, so I want to change that. I also noticed that the account display is still missing the general ledger account number. I want to improve that as well. So I go back to edit this query. I do not need to change anything in the layout itself, but I do want to improve the company selection. Right now, it returns the company code because that is what we originally defined. We can extend the select function so that it shows company names instead. That uses the second parameter of select. So I go back to companies where I know the relevant fields are available. Then I change the parameter so that the user sees the company name, while the query still uses the company code as the underlying key value. That is important because the balances dataset stores the company code, not the display name. So we want a selection field that looks friendly to the user, but still uses the correct technical key in the query. There's one more thing I want to do here. I know that my company dataset also contains consolidation companies, and I do not want those to appear in the budgeting model. So I extend the select function further by adding a filter inside the selection. That way, I can exclude all companies where the source equals consolidation. So now, the user gets a selection field based on company names, filtered to only show real companies, not consolidation entities. That makes the selection a lot more practical for this use case.